Empathy mapping is a process that can help you to identify the thoughts and feelings of a particular group, usually customers, on a specific issue. These can be used after user interviews, during research, or during the definition of a problem. Empathy maps help you by making you look at the issue through their eyes, empathizing with the feelings of the user, and connecting how what users say and do relate, or if there are inconsistencies within their behavior. The basic empathy map includes 4 quadrants referring to what the user said, did, thought, and felt. Here's a more advanced template. In here, for example, you define the user or type of user or buyer. Some of these sections will be more or less important depending on what you are trying to achieve. For example, if you work in design or product, the definition of job to be done is essential because it is the ultimate way in which this person or group will define success and what they are trying to do or achieve. In some way, their desired state. Then you will add information about what they say. Maybe you search on blogs. Maybe you take notes during interviews. Then you look at what they do, maybe by looking at data or overall market behaviors. Then you may add notes about what they see. Maybe the ads that could influence them? What is happening in the industry, politics, etc. that could influence their belief system. You add information as you find it. There is no order. You can start in any of these areas, but sometimes if you are, for example, leading a user interview and the person you are interviewing says something like,
"I can't do that because of this and that."
Then you not only add that to what they say in this section, but you may ask them questions to better understand what they believe, or where they hear that, or how that makes them feel. So this framework sometimes can help get into a flow of questions to better understand the thoughts and feelings that will define how a type of user or group will behave. Overall, this looks like this, and to access it, you can add a session, choose the tool, and start.